Hours after news of the confessions broke, the Loeb family sought the counsel of the country's preeminent criminal defense attorney, Clarence Darrow, soon to be known as the attorney for the damned.
Clarence Darrow was, at this point in his life, 67 years old. He had just come off an amazing string of victories, defending a bunch of corrupt politicians in Chicago. Clarence Darrow is thought as a legal miracle worker. Many of his cases, his guys or his gals are found with the guns and a bloody knife in their hands. And that's why he was seen as the attorney for the damned.
Get them a life sentence instead of death. Loeb's uncle begged Darrow. We'll pay you anything. Only for God's sake, don't let them hang. It was a request Darrow could not refuse.
He hated capital punishment. He did probably 60 or more capital punishment cases in his career. He lost the first one to the hangman, and he never got over it. His philosophy was definitely hate the sin and love the sinner. He believed people act the way they act because they're brought up in poverty or because they themselves have been ill-treated, and that the supreme virtue was mercy.
He believed that everything we do is determined by our upbringing, by our childhood, by our parents, and therefore there's very little free choice, no free will. So he believed accordingly that capital punishment, the death penalty, was something that should not take place.
Darrow was by no means alone. The previous quarter century had seen movements to abolish the death penalty in no fewer than 10 states, while the number of executions nationwide had sharply declined. With the issue still being hotly debated all over the country, Darrow sensed an opportunity to tip the scales.
He wants to make a statement about capital punishment. In the Leopold and Loeb case, he knows he has this amazing spotlight. Everybody's listening around the world, not just in the United States.
The actor-egoist in him sought opportunities to play great parts. One writer said of Darrow, hero parts.